You want to replace the ear pads on your Beyerdynamic DT series headphones. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the way, the ear pads that you will see in the video today are going to fit several Beyerdynamic models. For a full list, you can either see it in the description below or on the screen right now. Let's start the video. Okay, let's start. Now, as you can see, I've already replaced one side. I'm just going to show you one side because it's the same process for both. These are the DT770. As I said in the beginning of the video, this is going to work on multiple Beyerdynamic headphones. Okay, so I will warn you, it's going to be a little uncomfortable. This is not the easiest replacement method. Beyerdynamic did not do it such an easy job to replace the ear pads, but it is possible, okay? And there are two methods to installing it. I will show you both of them. If the first one works, it's going to be easier. If the first one doesn't work for you, the second one is going to be a little harder. Okay, so to remove the ear pad, I'm going to remove the original from here, and you are simply going to pull it out. All right. The way that these ear pads are installed is they have a backside flap, as you can see right here. And that flap goes on top of that ridge right here, okay? Now, I will show you how to install. I'm going to be using our Wicked cushions. If you want to hear more about our cushions, you can stay to the end of this video and I will explain a little bit about them. And there is no left and right for these ear pads. You can use them interchangeably. Let me show you the first method. If you have this little lip right here, I don't know how to call it, but this little ridge, let me see if you can get a good look on it. Right here. See this little ridge right here? If you have it on your headset, you can use the first method. So you're simply going to put the backside lip. I'm going to try to make it as clear as possible. I'm not sure if you can see it, but we'll try to make it clear. You're going to put the backside lip into that ridge. I told you it can get tricky sometimes. Here it is. So the backside lip is in the ridge. I hope that you can see it. And now you're simply going to spin the ear pad to the right. Right? And that is it. This is the first method. Sometimes while you spin it, it's gonna go out of place, but if you do it slowly, it should work, okay? If you don't have that ridge, or whether you do have that ridge and the first method was just too annoying, I'll show you the second one, which is a little annoying as well. Let's remove the ear pad again. So for the second method, you're simply going to use force. You are going to put the lip, the backside lip of the ear pad, on top of some part of the ridge, and you are going to hold with your free hand and start stretching the ear pad. Don't be afraid to stretch it, they're very durable. You're gonna start stretching the ear pad and the backside lip. Try to put your index finger from inside to fit that backside lip on top of the ear cup. Obviously, having a cable does not really make this process easier, but that is it. If you're going to use the second method, I promise you, you have to stretch the ear pad. If you don't stretch it, it's going to be a nightmare. Don't be afraid to stretch it like this. It's not going to rip, and that is it. Now, let me show you some of the differences with our Wicked Cushions ear pads. Let me move the headphones to the side. So we have two versions. Right here you see the original. These are our WEC Freeze, which is basically our cooling gel ear pads. Fabric material on top, PU leather on the sides, cooling gel layer on the top, and cooling gel layers on the inside of the ear pad. And we have our regular PU leather version, no cooling gel, just memory foam inside, PU leather on the outside. If you don't like the velour, which I find too hot, you can use these. If you really want something cold, you can use these. So for the WC Freeze, they're not much thicker than the original in order to try and preserve the sound as much as we can. But the PU leather are going to be a hell lot thicker, okay? If these are too thin for you, you might wanna go with these. If these are not too thin but just uncomfortable, you might wanna go with the WC Freeze. And that is it. If you wanna try these out, simply click at the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.